Hi everyone, it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market, and today I am here with Massy. Thanks so much for being here.
Of course, thank you for asking me for interview, of course.
Of course. Well, tell us, what is your business and what do you sell here?
I'm making jams and preserves, and I started coming to this market, I think it was last May. Before that, I used to sell, and I do still sell it in like supermarkets, mostly Persian supermarkets. And I started this job like 1.5 years ago. So it's, it's my business now.
I love that. And you
Thank
have
you.
so many different options here. Tell me a little bit more about how you got started with making jams and preserves. What started?
I used to do bakery before, but then started to consume my health. So I stopped it for a few years. But then this one just came into my mind. I have a friend, she has a big backyard with lots of fruit trees, and then she kept bringing me the fruits, and then I told her, I don't have space for all this. So she said, you just make jam and I buy it from you, and then you can sell to friends and family. And this is how I started, honestly. And I love this because, it's lots of work because this is a home-based business. I'm doing it all by my own. It's a lot of work, but I put a lot of love in it. So I really, really like whatever I'm doing.
That's amazing. And what was your first jam that you tried to make from all the fruit she brought you?
I think it was Queens.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't have it here because people don't know it, but in Persian markets, people love it.
Okay.
So the first one was Queens I made, and then I went to cherry, apples. I have different flavors of apples.
Oh, very
apple
cool.
Cinnamon, apple rosewater. Yeah, and then this is it. This is how I started my business.
That's awesome. And what's your favorite jam or preserve you make?
Mine is apple rosewater. I'm not a jam person, honestly, but my husband loves it. So, and then he eats every day, and we used to buy a lot of jams, honestly.
Okay.
So we stopped that, but if I have, or if I want to have any jams, my favorite is apple rosewater.
Okay.
They have it usually with bread and butter.
Okay.
Or this is so good on plain yogurt, So this is how we eat it, yeah.
And how do you make these jams? So apple rosewater sounds super interesting. Tell me about the process of how do you get those flavors and what's the process of making the jam?
I just buy the apple. The apples I use is only Gale apple.
Okay.
So no other, and they are the most expensive ones, So I just cut them, and then I boil them and add a little bit of a touch of rose water in it. Yeah, with a little bit of sugar, and this one has few drops of food color too.
Okay.
This is the only one that has food color. The rest is all natural. It is natural. I don't use any chemical, any preservative. It's only lime juice, and that's how I make it.
That's
and
amazing.
This one takes few hours to be done. It has quite a procedure to do that. Yeah.
That's awesome. And what about your jams is so different than other ones? I know you said there's no chemicals in it. Is there anything else that makes them super different than store-bought ones?
Yes. First of all, there's no chemical, no preservative in them. And then they are jams that you can't find in supermarkets, These are very unique, especially the apples, the apple cinnamon.
Yeah, I've never heard of any of those being in the grocery store.
And then my jams are mostly preserves, so you can see the chunk of fruits in it. However, here jams are mostly jams and jellies, so they're spread. Mine, at least few of them are not spread.
Very cool.
That's how it is.
That's awesome. Well, what else do you want people watching this to know about your jams and preserves so they come out and sell out all of your different flavors here?
I want to be supported, I need people to support because this is a local business and I do it from home. So, and just try it. I mean, if they try it, they buy it. I'm pretty sure of that. I've been selling this and I've been sampling in different supermarkets and I've been really successful.
That's amazing.
But yeah, just try it, and then I have like Christmas gifts if they want to.
Okay.
Yeah, they can just choose any 2 or 3 kind of jams and they can bundle and then just come here and get their gift, Christmas gift.
That's amazing.
So yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Well, where else can people find you besides here at the farmers market?
Okay, I'm in 3 actually Persian supermarkets.
Okay.
I'm in Wholesome Choice, I'm in Jordan Market, and I'm in Beverly Market in Los Angeles.
Okay.
Beverly is. And then I have, my website is not done yet, but will be there shortly, I promise. But I have Instagram. My Instagram is sSimplySweets, that's my name.
Perfect.
And then they can reach me by email, which my business card is here.
And we'll have it all down below for them too, so
Yeah.
they can check it out super
and
easy.
and then phone number or whatever.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And thank you everyone for
Thank you,
watching.
everybody.
Make sure to come on
Thank you.
down and try it out. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.